Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to create a program that finds the prime factors of a given number in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to create a program that finds the prime factors of a given number. Show all the steps and explain steps in detail to a beginner in coding. Show the complete code at the end. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. So step 1, setting up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows. TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it primefactors.java. Step 1. Create a class and main method. Public class primefactors. Public static void main, string, args. Step 2. Read the input number. Scanner equals new scanner, system.in, system.out.print, enter a number. Int number equals scanner.nextInt, we create a scanner object to read user input. We prompt the user to enter a number and store it in the variable number. Step 3. Find prime factors. We use a loop to iterate from 2 up to the value of number inside the loop. We use a while loop to divide number by the current value of I as long as number is divisible by I. This finds the prime factors of number. Step 4, close scanner. Now we have the complete code for the program. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the codes, javac primefactors.java. Run the programs, Java prime factors. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 60. It output 2, 2, 3, 5. Which are correct. Perfect. This program demonstrates how to find the prime factors of a given number using loops and division. It's a great example for practicing fundamental coding concepts. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.